candied grapes, and more delicious Easter candied grapes. I thought I would never do this. Man, I burnt the crap out my fingers, but it was worth it. Welcome to Candy Apple TV with the DIY Queen Diva. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent your delicious Easter candied grapes from breaking down so fast. We all know this is a fruit I never thought I would show a tutorial on. Since you kept asking, I'm going to show you the best way to keep these candied grapes from breaking down the best way that I know how. Honey child, the very least thing you need to worry about is not having enough candy because you will get covered. I will also tell you how to store your candied grapes to prevent breakdown so fast. Okay, so after I have washed off my grapes, I'll take a paper towel and I'll take one grape and dry it off. I'll take my toothpick and stick it down the grape about a third of the way. So it's about right there. If it feels too loose, and that felt too loose, I just flip-flop the grape and stick it on the other side. And I just repeat the process until I am done. Let's get to this candied grape recipe. I am using 4 cups of sugar. And right here is the 1 cup of dry corn syrup. You can find this Loren's corn syrup down below in the description box. Do not use the liquid corn syrup because the dry corn syrup will help your candied grapes hold up longer, add your flavoring. And I like to use these extra long toothpicks so I don't burn myself. But honey, the way I be rough with it, there's no guarantee. Okay, I have my sugar pearls. My candy has reached 300. I have my bowl of grapes ready. Sugar pearls right there. I am going to use some white. Hobby Lobby lemon yellow. And this was Hobby Lobby's bright white. You gotta do that right away. Damn, I burnt my finger. Oh, hell to the no, no, no. Damn. Man, I done burnt my finger. Y'all be careful with this candy, man. This candy hot one. I can dip all day. This is kind of fun. Although I have longer toothpicks, it still doesn't matter. You can still burn yourself. And I'm telling you, if this candy apple mixture touch you, honey child, everybody in the house will know. Y'all. There's no excuse not to have enough candy apple mixture. This candy apple recipe is that deal. And then you just stick your grape in your sugar pearls or your Jolly Ranchers, whatever you have going, like right away. Once you're done dipping your candied grapes, you can place them in the cups with the lid. And those little cute cups are down below in my description box, and place them in the freezer. I love these for some reason cold. So once you place them in the freezer, take them out for about 3 minutes and then you can eat them. Or you can eat them right out the freezer. These candied grapes will last a good 1 or 2 days. After 2 days, I don't want them. If you have enjoyed this candied grape tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.